Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech, and I want to show you a new option for displaying SpeedPack graphics. This new option was added in SolidWorks 2024 Service Pack 3. So here I've got 2023 Service Pack 5 to show you what it used to be like. So I'm going to create a new mated SpeedPack of this top subassembly. So now the top circuit board has been turned into just ghost graphics. So I can go over here to this view and can see as I move the cursor near anything that's part of the SpeedPack, it just disappears when the cursor comes around. Now this is the default behavior, but there has long been another option. If we go to Options and Display and scroll down, there's an option here for Display SpeedPack Graphics Circle. Well, if we uncheck that, then when I hover over SpeedPack Graphics, I just get this black and white circle. And I can't select anything because there's nothing really here except ghost graphics. All right, so those are my only two options in earlier versions. I can have just this black and white circle indicating SpeedPack graphics, or I can have the ghost graphics with the SpeedPack graphics circle. So now I'm going to switch over to SolidWorks 2024, Service Pack 3.1. And here I've got my SpeedPack for that top subassembly, and I have the default behavior of ghost graphics disappearing when the cursor comes near. But now when I go to Options, Display, instead of having a checkbox for Display SpeedPack Graphics Circle, I've got a slider. And if I've got it set at 100%, then it's just like having the box checked in earlier versions. But if I move this slider down, say we'll put it somewhere around here, now the SpeedPack graphics don't disappear entirely, but they do turn transparent, or at least partially transparent, as I move the cursor near them. And if I go back to that setting, to the slider, and move it all the way to the off position, then now they don't disappear at all, just like having the checkbox off in previous versions. And I get a little SpeedPack icon next to the cursor to indicate when I'm hovering over SpeedPack graphics. So that's a new option, the slider that was added in 2024 Service Pack 3. I hope you found that interesting, and I hope you find that useful. Have a good day.